Hi everybody, it's Nadia here and I'm bringing it to you, and it's obviously by Revolution. I really think a lot of their products are spot on. So for me, I love Revolution's eyeshadows. I love quite a lot of their products. Some have been a hit, some have been a miss, but that's the beauty of this channel, that I don't just bring you and go, yes, this is absolutely amazing, if it's not. So, and I'm just an ordinary consumer like you guys. You know, I bought this with my, these products with my own money. So I hope you enjoy the tutorial that is going to come along, and if you do, hit that subscribe button because there's plenty more where they came from. So first of all, I'm going to go in with Revolution Ultra Face Base Primer. So it's just a clear gel, and I'm just going to put it on the pores that I want it on. Some of these products I have used before, like this primer, but a lot of things I haven't. So this is from Freedom and it's called the Pro Studio Strobe Glow, and I do like putting these on underneath my foundation. They give me a little bit more. I think I put a bit too much on. Revolution Pro Foundation Drop in F2, and I don't know whether these are going to suit my skin tone at the minute because I've been away and obviously I'm a little bit darker, but I'll work with it. Yeah, it's a nice glass bottle. It's a drop form, so I'm just gonna, and I'm using my beauty blender. That's no coverage whatsoever. Yeah, it's not the correct colour for me, but I'll just bronze up. I bronze up a lot. Few more drops onto my sponge and just see if I can build it up on the areas that I like it to be a little bit bigger. This is definitely low coverage, and it's actually oxidizing as well on me. So I look like a pasty goose now. For concealer, I've used this one and I do like this one. This is the Revolution Conceal and Define. This is very pink based because you can tell because of my eyes. Now I've put the yellow on, so I'm going to go into Freedom palette and just take the darkest shade just here and just mix that in slightly, just to put some life back into my eyes. And with the edge of my beauty blender, I'm just gonna push that into my skin, and that's better. That's so much better. I've got the Revolution Pro loose finishing powder, and then I'm just putting some on my sponge and just gonna press it into my, I don't like to bake. That's made my eye look darker. Yep, definitely has. But it's supposed to be translucent. So I just put more on. Literally has just made my eyes look so dry under there, and they feel nice, but they look dry. And then I'm just going to take a brush and go all over my face. It does blend in really well. You know, I just don't like it under my eyes. My face is really dry looking now. Don't know, see how it meshes. We'll see how, if it lets it sink into my skin better. Taking the Revolution sculpting brush, sculpting palette, to just carve out my cheeks a little bit. I've tried this before and I really do like it. So that's the only part that I'm sculpting. Then I'm going into the Revolution Imagination palette. And I'll be taking the colour Literal and Warrior for bronzing, which is the 2 centre shades. One a little bit patchy, I've noticed. And just so I've got not so pale face, I'm just going what's left on, so I don't look so light. Yeah, that you can see, still see all my freckles, everything. For blusher, I'm going in with this Revlon Makeup, the Hot Spice one. And I'm taking the third one along. You see, look at that pigment. It's there straight away. And it's not harsh. Happy cat. I really don't look like I'm bronzed. I'm just going to use the Revolution Pro Supreme Matte Finishing Spray. Not dry it down, just so it's not as powdery. So guys, I'm just going to go in with a concealer just to prime my lids because I've got no primer. And so guys, I'm going in with this TAMMI from Revolution, and I'm going in with this bone shade at the bottom, and I'm just laying this down on top so everything transitions smoothly. This for light, guys. So I'm going to take this sort of brown colour and I'm just going to put that through my crease and slightly above, and just wiggle it and window wipe. These are really soft but hard to blend. So there's no fallout on my face, it's taking me a long time to get here. Going back in the one with the coconut shade and just sort of making sure it's nice and seamless. Then because I want a bit of intensity, I'm going in with a packer brush on this green. Don't tap it off, it comes off. And I want to sort of take it in my crease. all pigmented because this is packed on and I still need to blend it out. I'm just going to go back in with the one that I used for blending and just give this a little blend because I know I'm going to have to go back and rebuild. I'm going to take this green here and see how that performs. I don't know about you guys, but they look identical. But this is supposed to be a shimmer. I've just gone into the dark brown to darken that crease up. But I'm going to try this bright yellow on the inner part of my eyes. A nicer eye look, because at the moment I'm not enjoying this. So just not doing anything. I'm going to try wetting the brush a little to see if I can get some to pop a little bit more. It's a little bit better, but it's not brilliant without anything on it, and just sort of blend this top part a little bit, smoothing out some edges. The Revolution Ultra Cool Glow, and I'm going to put this green on and see why not. That's why it's called testing makeup. I'm going to take my finger for this one and just pop it in the middle. I'm going to go in with the Revolution Pro Glow 2. I think I'm going to try mixing. So this one and say this one. That is nice. It's got a little bit of peachy undertone. So guys, I'm going in with the Freedom pomade, and I haven't got a Revolution one because it's basically the same, so, and I do like this, so. I'll be back when I put my mascara on because I haven't got one from Revolution, and the one that I did have I don't like and I'm not refused, so so I'm just going to put on mascara and an eyeliner, and I'll see you guys in a minute. So guys, this is the finished look on the Revolution. I did have to put in a couple of substitutes because I haven't got them. I put in a green eyeliner into my eyes and the Rimmel Wake Me Up mascara. As usual, everything will be linked down below. I'll be back later on to tell you how I actually felt about everything that I've put on my face today. So guys, I'm back with this finish review on everything that I'm wearing, and I'm not impressed. I'm really not. Sorry it's the dog, it is late at night, it is nearly 10 o'clock. This has been on since about 8 this morning, so it's had a good wear test on it. Basically, I've had a look in the mirror about an hour or so after I'd put it on, and it started to go around my nose and a little bit on my chin, and it's now You can see everything. I love the bronzer and the blusher and the highlight. Beautiful. The lip colour that I had on, beautiful. Obviously it was a lipstick, so it lasted the time that it's sort of supposed to last. The brows are still on. Basically it's the foundation, the concealer, I know works brilliantly with a different setting powder than the one that I used. So unless they don't mesh together nicely, that could be the issue. And also this eyeshadow. No, it's all come off, guys. Well, it hasn't come off, but it's not how it looked. So I'm going to draw you in and show you. So as you can see, sorry about this damp patch because I am really sweaty, oily. So yeah, I'm really oily. It's totally gone. It's even gone just here. And it's like the brows there. You know, you can still find where I chiselled my blush, my highlight. I'm glowing everywhere else. It's gone from around my nose, around my top of my lips, my entire forehead, apart from the bronzer. That foundation, no. And this eyeshadow, just not there. It is, you can see these two colours look exactly the same and the slight gold, but no, it's not what I want at the end of the day. I want to be able to still see the divide between everything. This is what I'm here for, brutally honest. Foundation, no. And especially not for people that have oily T-zones. But for it to go on my eyebrow, just above my eyebrow, that's really strange. It's never happened before. And same as what I said with that concealer. I used that in another tutorial and it stayed on all day, and it was hotter than it is today. Guys, for foundation, no. So hopefully I'll see you in my next in my next video. So see you guys later. Bye.